How to turn on or turn off vibration sound for incoming calls on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now it's setting, scroll down and click on sound and vibration. So you will see sound and vibration is here. So click on sound and vibration. Now here, so scroll down and click on vibration intensity. So after click on vibration intensity, so you will see vibration sound for incoming calls is here. So if you want to turn on sound vibration sound for incoming calls, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see vibration sound for incoming calls is turn on. So if you want to turn off vibration sound for incoming calls, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see vibration sound for incoming call is turn off. So you will turn on or turn off sound vibration sound for incoming calls from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off vibration sound for incoming calls on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.